Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Amazon Sidewalk compatible device support app, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring your smartphone or tablet is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. Open the App Store on your device. For Android users, this is the Google Play Store. For iOS users, navigate to the Apple App Store. In the search bar, type Amazon Sidewalk and press enter. Review the search results for the official Amazon Sidewalk app. Make sure the publisher is Amazon Mobile LLC to confirm its authenticity. Tap on the app icon to open its page. Next, locate the Install button. For iOS devices, the button may say Get instead. Press the Install or Get button to initiate the download. Once the download is complete, open the app. You might need to provide permissions for the app to access certain features. Follow the on-screen prompts to create an Amazon account if you don't have one. If you already have an account, simply sign in. Once logged in, review the terms and conditions to proceed. After agreeing to the terms, you can start exploring the features of the app. Familiarize yourself with the user interface and available options. If needed, consult the help section for troubleshooting tips. Now you're ready to connect your devices compatible with Amazon Sidewalk. Follow the instructions within the app to add your devices and enjoy the benefits. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.